I'm Richard Willis, Contracts Manager with Mannok in the Precast division. This project, the Crossings project for Mannings, it's in Adamstown in Dublin. It's one of the largest construction projects currently in the city, consisting of 3 stories, multi-storey car park and retail units on the ground floor. It was a totally bespoke project, so everything from design to the manufacturing, delivery and then installation.
My name is Charlie Blaine. I'm the project manager here in Adamstown, Block F. Mannok arrived on site. All of their personnel were well trained and very little staff turnover. We've dealt with the same people from the beginning of the project to the end of the project. The precast unit we're lifting were probably the biggest and the heaviest I've lifted ever. There's in around 9 tons was the maximum. In terms of the tower crane placement, the selection of tower cranes, the removal of the cranes at the end of the job and infilling slabs, we went through all this with Mannok at the very early stages. We worked out the logistics of everything, how many lorries per day, how many slabs in every lorry, and we worked out everything from deflection to down to if we had a broken slab, how we would handle it on site. So we looked at every eventuality and we got answers.
These slabs are 14.1 metres long. They're some of the largest slabs that Mannok has ever manufactured. So all in all, we've delivered just shy of 16,000 square metres of 400 deep hollow core, and we've installed precast stairs in 4 stair cores. One of the biggest issues we had here was the size of the slabs, weighing 9 tonne. We could only get 3 slabs on a trailer. So that meant that all in all in the project we had more than 300 loads. So we obviously had to make sure that our deliveries were timed because there wasn't storage for that on site. So the coordination was key with dispatch and the fitting crews on site. Throughout the project, Mannings had communicated very clearly and were accurate in the dates they provided us, which meant just-in-time delivery was successful on each occasion.
My name's Colin Lawler. I'm with Mannings and the Senior QS on Adamstown project, Block F. The Adamstown project in Dublin is the largest project Mannings is working on currently, and in the 10 years I've been with it, this is the largest project I've worked on. We chose Mannok to do all the precast here, which was the slabs and the stairs. We chose them for a commercial reason and for program reason and to do with the size of the project. Mannok have been very easy to deal with. We've had little to no issues with them. Deliveries met. There's been no issues with the workmanship on site. We've just recently appointed them to another job in Dublin on the basis of what the work they did here for us.
Success on this project can be measured by the fact that we've secured 2 further contracts from Mannings as a result of how we were getting on this, and we look forward to working with them in the future.